this video, we're going to take a look at multiplying a fraction by a whole number using drawings. Let's take a look at our whole number that is represented in this problem. The whole number we have here is 12. To represent the 12, I'm going to draw X's or circles or squares, whatever you feel most comfortable drawing, and you can decide what that would be for yourself, okay? I'm going to take the 12 and I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts. And I'm going to take what I know about multiplication and division and recall that 12 divided using my denominator into 3 equal parts would give me 4 per group. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've taken my 12 and as the whole number and divided it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 equal parts, which gave me 4 per group. Now the numerator is going to tell me the answer to my problem. I'm going to focus in on one of those 3 groups. So I'm going to circle one of those 3 groups, and I'm going to count what's in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer to my problem, 1/3 times 12, would give me 4. Let's take a look at our next problem. Once again, we're going to be multiplying a fraction by a whole number. My fraction has gone from a unit fraction to a different number besides 1 in the numerator. Let's focus on my whole number, which is 16, and we want to divide 16 into 8 equal parts. Using what I know from multiplication and division, 16 divided into 8 equal parts would give me 2 in each group. So I'm going to do 8 groups of 2. Once again, I'm going to use X's. You can use squares or circles or whatever you want to do. There's the first group, the second group, the third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, the seventh group, and the 8th group. And you can see I have 16 in my whole set, and I now want to make sure that they are into 8 equal parts, and they're all equal with 2 per group. This time, let's look at the numerator. The numerator is a 7. So I'm going to circle 7 of those groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to count how many X's I have circled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7/8 of 16 would give me an answer of 14. All right, let's look at another example. This one is 2/3 times 9. You could use an example in real life of what if I had, let's say, 9 assignments to do. Maybe you're in college. You have 9 assignments to do, and you finished 2/3 of your assignments, okay? So let's see what that would look like. Using what I know, I have 9, and I want it divided into 3 equal parts. Using what I know, 9 divided into 3 equal parts is 3. So I'm going to put 3 in each group. Once again, I'm just going to use X's. Okay, I got 3 equal groups of 3. My numerator now is going to tell me, we said we'd finished 2/3 of our 9 assignments. So I'm going to circle 2 groups. The first group, the second group. And now I'm just going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I have finished 2/3 of my 9 assignments, I have finished 6 assignments. Let's take a look at one last problem, a real world problem. It says, Mark read 20 books. He read 3/4 of them during the month of March. How many books did Mark read in March? Don't be confused by the word of. It says he read 3/4 of them, of the 20. Of and multiplication mean the same thing. So what we would do, once again, we have 20 books. Mark read 3/4 of them, so we're going to divide 20 into 4 equal parts. So let's use what we know. 20 divided by 4 would be 5. So there's 5 per group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Putting 5 in each group. Using what we know from our division problem, I'm making 4 equal groups of 5. Now it tells us that he read, looking at our numerator, he read 3 out of the 4 groups. So we need to circle 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. So let's count the number of books that Mark read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if Mark read 3/4 of the books in March, then Mark read 15 books during the month of March. I hope this helps you in multiplying a fraction by a whole number using drawings.